In this video, I'm going to show you how to print Adobe Reader PDF. So the first thing you have to do, you want to of course open your document that you want to print, and then you have three options. You could either click up here top left to open the print window like this. You could go to File and then Print over here, or you could use Control and P on your keyboard, which is going to open the printing box over here. Now when you do this, first you have to select the printer you want to use to print. So these Microsoft Print PDFs over here, and then something like this. So if you have like multiple, these are going to print PDFs onto your computer as files. But if you select your printer, you can actually print it in a physical form. So I'm going to go with my HP DeskJet over here. And then you can see you have properties and advanced. So if I click on properties, there's like a bunch of settings for your printer. This is going to be different depending on which printer you have. I have HP, so it's going to look like this. But if you have any other, it's going to look a bit different. And you also have like the advanced properties for your printer, stuff like that. You can play around with it if you want to or not. Now, the majority of the important things you usually are setting when printing are going to be achieved on here on this screen. So you have the amount of copies you can do, you have the ability to print in grayscale or not, and you could save ink or toner over here as well using this saving mode. Then you have the pages. You can select which pages you want to print, either all of them, the current page you're on, the pages in a range. So here you could do like, for example, 1 and 3 like this. You could do a range, 1 to 3. You could do like a bunch of different things. I'm just going to do all right now. And then you have more options, which allows you to either reverse pages like this, or you could go current view and it's going to work like intended. Okay, so I'm going to just basically put an all over here, but if you do current view, as you can see, it's going to just print the current view you are seeing here in the back. I'm going to do all, and then you have page sizing and handling. You can print over here, so size, you can change it automatically over here. You could do fit, shrink, actual size, scale. You could print poster, multiple, or booklet, so it's up to you. Then you have the orientation and the ability to print on both sides if you want to as well. And then you have, of course, the ability to select what you want to do with comments and forms. You could go and basically print document markup, stuff like that if you want to. And then you could do page setup as well, which is going to allow you to basically set up your page, so the orientation, size, source, etc. And then whenever you're ready, you can preview it over here using this slider, which is used to basically view every single page. Or you could use these arrows as well, gonna work just as well. And then you can hit the print button and it's going to print the PDF directly from inside Adobe Reader. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.